y'all know why you're here.
Oh yeah, for sure. I'm excited.
Why am I here?
The rules of the contest to win the brand new lawnmower are you have to keep at least one hand on the lawnmower the whole time. The last one with your hand on the lawnmower wins the lawnmower. Are there any questions?
Do we get bathroom breaks?
No. Any other questions?
Yes, sir. Yes, I have a question, sir.
Slippers, what's your question?
Does the same hand have to stay on the mower at all times?
It has to be at least one hand, not the same hand. Either hand, as long as one hand is on the mower. Not your chin, not your elbow, not your forehead. It has to be a hand. All right, is everybody ready? Y'all got at least one hand on the lawnmower?
Good spot.
All right, here we go, and go!
I don't even know why you two are even here, because I pretty much got this thing wrapped up, so good luck trying.
You wish, old man. Those old arthritic hands ain't gonna last long.
Shouldn't you be at home cooking and cleaning, lady? Maybe feeding your husband his little candies?
Cooking and cleaning? The only thing I wanna be cleaning is your clock, you crusty old man.
Hey, take it easy, you two! Come on, don't kill each other yet. You're just gonna be giving the mower to William here.
I like the sound of that.
Calm down. We got a long way to go.
All right, yeah, I guess you're right. Oh, hey, good sir. What has it been, like 16 hours now?
It's been like 20 minutes.
Oh, fuck. Well, that feels like an eternity.
3 hours in. How y'all holding up?
Oh, you're starting to look tired back there, I can see.
No, I'm wide awake. I'm ready to go.
6 hours in. Getting tired yet?
You guys are getting tired, right? Because I know I'm getting tired.
Nope.
You gotta
I'm
be
gonna
getting
go
even
all
more
the
tired.
way.
I'm
going
wide
all
awake.
the way.
I'm wide awake.
Don't you have to go to the bathroom yet, old man? It's been 8 hours.
I'm going right now. This baby's all packed up. But that's why I thought ahead. Mom got me a fresh diaper. Oh, a little bit more.
Ew, I thought I smelled something. He's wearing a diaper. He's cheating. Sir, he's wearing a diaper. He's cheating.
There's nothing in the rules here that says he can't wear a diaper, so he's in the clear.
Ha! Nice try, lady. This baby's mine.
What's this?
This is my coupon book.
What do you need that for?
I take this thing everywhere with me. You never know when you get run into a good deal.
That's dumb.
Hey, what are you doing? I need that thing. I can't believe this. Oh. Hey!
He's out.
He's out.
Slippers, took your hand off.
What? They cheated.
No, they didn't cheat. Should've left your stupid coupon book at home.
Whatever. See how it is.
All right, now it's down to you two. You're the last two.
Can't believe this.
Pterodactyl here. And today's how-to video is going to be on this here Chinese knockoff Stihl 070 chainsaw. And we're going to upgrade the clutch on it. We're going to put a better clutch on it than the one that came with the saw. Because this is what happened. A guy bought this saw with the 3-foot bar. He made 2 cuts with it, and maybe this has happened to you, and the tapered sleeve that goes in this clutch disintegrated and broke into pieces, and this thing was just spinning on there, and it wouldn't spin the chain no more. So I told the guy, I go, well, I found these online. They're like $16 for a new one. I go, but you better buy a pile of them because you'll make 2 cuts and have to keep changing the clutch, because chances are that tapered sleeve that goes in there, it's just going to break again. It's made out of some kind of sintered metal. I said, so I bet, but I wasn't sure, that if we look up the OEM 070 clutch for the 070 Stihl chainsaw, it should fit on here. So what had happened is, when that tapered sleeve that fits in here, when that thing broke, it also left some of the metal stuck to the crankshaft. So what I ended up doing was, I ended up having to start the chainsaw, and I put some like fine emery paper on there and polished it up again. So while it was spinning, you know, running, idling, I put the sandpaper on there. And then I went and looked up the Stihl clutch and parts we needed, which I have right here. And there's one that I dropped on the floor that we need. There's the new clutch. And then we needed these other two parts, which is the adapter sleeve and this ring. And here's the part numbers for that. And the prices as of 2020. So you're gonna have to spend some money, but at least you're gonna have a good clutch and you're not gonna have this crap that's gonna break. This part, this clutch here, I wanted to buy just this carrier, but you can't buy just that anymore. You have to buy the whole clutch assembly. Because if I could have got just the carrier and this, I could have put these shoes, I'm sure would have fit on there. So the part number for the clutch is 1106 160 2001. A Clutch Odyssey. Now, this thing from Stihl, list price is about $115 as of 2020. So I went to my favorite store, eBay, and I found a guy that had a bunch of these. I don't know, maybe he bought out a dealer or something, and he was selling these for $50. That's like less than my cost, my Stihl cost. So I bought one of these for $50. Fingers crossed that it was going to work. And then when I got the sleeve, I'm thinking, well, I hope they use the same diameter. So when I got done sanding that down, sure enough, that fits on there like it's supposed to. So that's correct. So now we're going to install it. So you need to grease this bearing. Got to put some grease on there. Because look at this thing. It's got a manual oiler. It doesn't have an automatic oiler. Look, it's just a crankshaft. Because usually the oiler runs off of the crankshaft on the old Stilches, or the new ones. So grease that bearing. Put that on. And then we got this washer that goes on next. And you see it's got a lip on it. This is important. See the clutch? Now if you look at the shoes and the carrier, this part is flush. And on this side of the clutch, it kind of sticks out a little bit. See from the edge? And then this is flush. So this washer with that little lip on it goes in here like this. Need that little space. So we're going to put on that washer. Then we're going to put the clutch on with that little lip. And then our adapter sleeve. There we go. See, and then that spins free. Then we have to put that little ring on there. Because that ring is what's going to put tension on here. And then we got this cupped washer. So when we put tension on it, this is going to spin free because that's what we want. These are left-handed threads. 16mm socket. And then tighten her down. See? There's our upgrade. Now I'm going to go ahead and put the bar and chain on and put the cover on, and we're going to test it. Look at this thing. It's a beast. Of all the chainsaws to knock off, why did they pick this model? I understand that a saw this size, brand new from Stihl, probably close to $2,000. But why didn't they knock off a newer one? Maybe it has something to do with, I don't know, patents or whatever. There we go. Come on, baby. Man, how would you like to be slinging this heavy piece of metal around every day? Well, you could tell it stopped that chain and that clutch was pulling it down, so it worked. That's probably why it broke that original clutch. When it was pulling it down, probably broke that centered bearing. So, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Taryl Fixes All, that's me. Follow me with your Chinese chainsaws on Facebook and Instagram. Go to our web store. Get some Taryl apparel. You gotta be wearing this when you're cutting wood or watching my videos. And as always, there's your dinner. Woo! Chinese 070 Stihl chainsaw clutch upgrade! Ain't gonna break now. Something else will probably break, but not the clutch. Alright, you guys, you're the last two contestants for the brand new push mower that I only used a couple of times. How you two feeling? It's only been 16 hours.
I'm hanging in there, Taryl. I sure am tired. And I have to use the bathroom, but I'm determined to win.
How about you, William? How you feeling?
I feel great, Taryl. I feel like 115 bucks. I feel like 130 if I could get these bugs quit crawling on me. Other than that, though, I feel pretty good. I think I'm gonna win it, Taryl. I'm ready.
Geez, William, you sure like to ramble.
Oh yeah, Taryl. That's because I'm a rambling, gambling, shambling man, Taryl. I'll go to the deepest depths of the ocean, to the tallest cell tower, to win this motorcycle.
Whatever that means. All right, good luck.
I can't take it anymore. You can have it, William. I quit. I forfeit.
So what's this mean? You're giving it up? You're done?
Yeah, I can't take it anymore. I gotta go. I gotta use the bathroom.
All right, get out of here. Go use the bathroom. Well, looks like you won, William. Congratulations, you won. You just won the lawnmower. All right, hold on a minute. Hold on a minute. There's one discrepancy. We gotta check this out.
What do you mean, Taryl? I'm the winner, right?
Hold on there, William. Looks like you failed a drug screening for using performance-enhancing drugs, so you've been disqualified. And then since Carla forfeited, it looks like the winner is Kerwin P. Slipper!
Oh, yeah.
Slipper!
Yes, I won. Oh,
You won the lawnmower!
I knew I would. Oh, I always knew that I was going to. Yes. Coming home with me, baby. Oh, yeah.
Now there's your dinner.
Woo, yeah. Oh, give me a big hug. Come on. Come home with me, babe. Yes.
Yeah. Do we get bathroom breaks?
Yeah, shouldn't you be at it?
Anybody got to make a poop face? I know I have already, and I'm not even in the contest.
Sir, he's wearing a diaper. He's cheating.
Hey, I'm going right now. As a matter of fact, I've gone multiple times. This diaper's full. That's why I thought I had for a freshie.
They didn't cheat. Should have left your stupid.
Stew box.
Stoop on.
You're the last two in the contest here, and
I'm in it to win it. Woo! Come on, baby, yeah! Woo!
I can't take it anymore. You can have the